Hey there, future YouTube stars and digital adventurers. Do you recall our incredible journey through the world of Binance in our previous video? Well, today, we're setting out on a new quest, exploring the mysteries of YouTube SEO. Are you geared up to unlock the secrets of making your videos shine bright on YouTube? Imagine YouTube as a vast universe, filled with countless videos like stars in the sky. In this universe, YouTube SEO is like a powerful rocket that helps your videos soar high and become visible to everyone. Understanding YouTube SEO is like having a secret map to navigate this vast space and make your videos stand out among millions of others. But what's this YouTube SEO thing, you ask? Why is it so important for your videos? And most importantly, how can you use YouTube SEO to make your videos as popular as a hit TV show? Let's embark on this exciting journey together and find all the answers. Like our previous adventure with Binance, we'll start with some intriguing questions. Think of yourself as an explorer, seeking to uncover the hidden treasures of YouTube SEO. How does YouTube SEO fit into the grand scheme of YouTube? What makes it so crucial for your videos? How can YouTube SEO transform your channel into a viewer magnet? In today's episode, we'll meet Jamie, an aspiring YouTuber full of dreams and ideas, just like you. Jamie has been creating videos but wonders why they aren't getting many views. Jamie asks, what is YouTube SEO? Why should I care about it? How can I use it to make my videos popular? Don't worry, Jamie. We're here to guide you and all our friends to the answers. Think of YouTube SEO as a magic wand that makes your videos visible to the world. And the best part? It's not just for the tech-savvy. With a little bit of know-how and our guidance, you too can master this skill. So, are you ready to join Jamie on this adventure? Hit that subscribe button, grab your explorer gear, and let's delve into the exciting world of YouTube SEO. Before we jump in, let's reintroduce ourselves. We're Millionaire Ventures Online, your trusty companion in the digital realm, teaching you how to make money online. Whether it's your first visit or you're one of our regulars, we're thrilled to have you with us. Each step with us is a thrilling adventure, and every adventure is an opportunity to learn and grow. If you're all about understanding the digital world and making the most out of it, you're in the right spot. So, back to YouTube SEO. It's not just a techie term, it's a game changer in the YouTube universe. It's the key to making your videos a hit, reaching viewers from all corners of the world. From understanding keywords to mastering the art of video optimization, YouTube SEO is your toolkit for success on this platform. Ready to dive into the secrets of YouTube SEO? Let's embark on this educational journey and transform your YouTube dreams into reality. Stay tuned as we navigate the world of video optimization and discover the gems that will make your videos a sensation. Welcome aboard, fellow digital explorers. Let's conquer YouTube with SEO. Understanding YouTube SEO, the key to video visibility. Let's unravel the mystery of YouTube SEO. What is it, exactly? Think of YouTube SEO as the special formula that helps your videos get noticed on YouTube. It's like the secret recipe that makes a dish stand out in a big feast. Why is YouTube SEO so important? Imagine YouTube as a gigantic library with millions of books. SEO is like the guide that helps people find the book they're looking for, which in this case is your video. Without it, your videos might just get lost in the vast sea of content. But how does YouTube SEO work? It's all about understanding what people are searching for and making your videos the answer to their questions. It involves using the right words in your video titles, descriptions, and tags so that YouTube knows what your video is about and shows it to the right people. Now, what makes YouTube SEO a game changer? It's simple: visibility. The better your SEO, the higher your video ranks in search results, just like how the best athletes get to stand on the highest podium. High-ranking videos get more views, and more views mean more chances to be famous on YouTube. Let's remember that YouTube SEO is not just about getting views. It's also about connecting with your audience, answering their questions, and being a part of their YouTube journey. It's like being a helpful guide in a giant amusement park, showing people the way to the best rides, your videos. In summary, YouTube SEO is your ticket to making your videos stand out in the crowded world of YouTube. It's about being seen, being heard, and connecting with viewers who are looking for content just like yours. Stick with us, and soon, you'll be navigating the YouTube SEO world like a pro. Mastering YouTube SEO, tips and tricks for ranking high. Now that we understand what YouTube SEO is, let's dive deeper into mastering it. Think of YouTube SEO as a treasure map, guiding your videos to the top of the search results, just like climbing to the top of a giant tree for the best view. One crucial way to boost your YouTube SEO is by optimizing your video titles and descriptions. Imagine your video title as a flashy sign on a busy street, grabbing attention and telling people what your video is all about. Your description acts like a captivating story, providing more details and sprinkling in phrases that people are likely to search for. But what about keywords? Keywords are the secret codes to the YouTube treasure chest. They unlock what people are searching for on the platform. Integrating the right keywords into your titles, descriptions, and tags is like giving YouTube a treasure map, leading viewers straight to your videos. Another vital tool is producing engaging and high-quality content. Think of yourself as a chef, where every video is a unique dish made with the finest ingredients. The tastier your content, the more people will want to watch and share it, boosting its rank on YouTube. Let's not overlook the power of thumbnails. They're like the cover of a book, enticing viewers to take a peek. A well-crafted thumbnail can significantly increase the click-through rate of your videos, driving more traffic and engagement. Consistency is also critical. Regularly uploading videos keeps your audience engaged and your channel active. It's like watering a plant regularly, it keeps it healthy and growing. Consistent uploads can also improve your channel's SEO, as YouTube favors channels that consistently provide fresh content. Another tip is to leverage YouTube's end screens and cards. These features allow you to promote other videos, playlists, or even your website, keeping viewers on your channel longer. The longer viewers stay, the more YouTube recognizes your channel as a source of engaging content. Remember, mastering YouTube SEO is a journey, not a sprint. It's about patience, experimentation, and learning from your experiences. Just like planting a tree and nurturing it, success on YouTube takes time and dedication. In conclusion, mastering YouTube SEO is a blend of intelligent strategy, creativity, and commitment. From fine-tuning titles and descriptions to using the right keywords, creating compelling content, and engaging your audience, there are numerous ways to scale the YouTube SEO tree. Embrace these strategies and watch as your videos reach new heights on YouTube. Enhancing your YouTube SEO with helpful tools. To help you master YouTube SEO, there are several online tools at your disposal. Tools like TubeBuddy and VidIQ offer insights into the best keywords to use, suggest optimizations for your titles and descriptions, and even provide analytics to track your video's performance. For those struggling with creating engaging content, platforms like Canva can be a lifesaver for designing eye-catching thumbnails and visuals. And remember, the YouTube Creator Academy itself is a goldmine of resources and tutorials tailored to help you improve every aspect of your YouTube journey. By leveraging these tools, you can elevate your SEO game and give your videos the best chance to thrive in the crowded YouTube landscape. We've come to the end of our YouTube SEO guide with Millionaire Ventures Online. Like Sarah learning about P2P and Jamie getting to know YouTube SEO, you too are ready to improve your channel. YouTube SEO is like a special box of tricks, full of ways to help your videos get noticed everywhere. Think of yourself as a YouTube SEO expert, making videos that grab attention and connect with people. It's all about getting seen, drawing people in, and building relationships. Use YouTube SEO to make your videos shine and catch the eye of viewers all over the world. Want to make your channel really popular? Keen to learn more about making your videos better? Click subscribe and join us at Millionaire Ventures Online for a step-by-step guide on your YouTube path.